Well, it is quite sad and unfortunate that the Bayelsa State Government, under the leadership of Senator Duoye Diri, will bring himself so low to the extent of going after law-abiding citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and in particular, Ijaw youth, who have gathered to associate politically. We are not here to cause any trouble. We are here to express our support and solidarity to the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And so it is quite sad and unfortunate that a governor who is seen to be the chief law officer of Bayelsa State, who also made a statement during the president's wife's visit to Ogbia Local Government under Bayelsa State, that is supporting the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So today, if youths of Bayelsa State and by extension the Niger Delta region are mobilizing support for the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the governor is supposed to support and strengthen us and give us the necessary security for us to carry out this program peacefully. And I want to use this opportunity to commend the security agencies for having the courage and the boldness to defend and to repel those guys who came here to shoot at us sporadically. I condemn it in its entirety, and it is undemocratic. This has shown that the governor is not a democrat, but is a despot. He's a very deceptive and deceitful leader. And I stand bold to say that he's not fit and proper to be addressed as the Governor General of the Ijaw Nation.
Yeah.
Because if you are the Governor General of the Ijaw Nation, you should know that it is youths, Bayelsa youths, that have gathered here to express their political views. This is anti-democratic, and that position should be made known. We will take a protest after this rally to the government house and send a strong signal to the Nigerian state that the governor has failed to provide security in this state. We will go ahead with our program. Whether they like it or not, I want to assure Bayelsans and members of the new associates that a new dawn has come. Yes. History will be made today. Yes. The governor and the government of Bayelsa State has made efforts in terms of resources, financial and human resources, since we announced a date on the 12th to organize a program for the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. Because of peace and the interest of oneness, we postponed our program to the 26th of April today. You can see that they have carried out their threat, and we are calling on the security agencies, especially the Inspector General of Police, to rise up to the occasion and call the governor and the government of Bayelsa State to order. We will continue to remain peaceful. We will continue to remain law-abiding. But we will not allow anybody to intimidate us or to scare us from organizing a program that will be in the best interest of Bayelsa State. We are aware that the governor is already scheming to become a vice presidential aspirant to a northern presidential candidate. He has been accused severally, and the governor has not deemed it fit to either rebuke or support those allegations. This has clearly demonstrated that he is not in support of the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. We are also aware that he is scheming. We are also aware that he is scheming seriously to defect to the All Progressive Congress. If you think that you are in support of the President of the country, then why won't you allow other people who have the voting right to mobilize themselves and mobilize support for the president of this country. So we are saying that what they have done today is undemocratic and it should be condemned in its entirety. We will go on with our program, and we are calling on all our people not to be scared, not to be deterred. This is a challenging time in our history. Whether it is one person or not, we will organize our program and will make our statement bold and clear. You are aware that the entire state is ready to participate in this rally. They have used all the necessary means within their time to intimidate and to cow our people not to be in this program. We will continue with our program and we will make the world to know that we are here to support the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.